Numerah. In this video, we are going to learn the process of room move. Room move option allows user to move the checked-in guest from one room to another. Select room number from in-house listing view. The room move screen is available when user selects the room move button from the reservation option menu. Select room type from the drop-down. Select room number. Room numbers will appear with the color code of the current status of the room. Select reason to move from the drop-down. Enter the notes if required. Click on Save or Save and Exit button to save the details. Thank you.